Hey everybody, today I'm going to make a soccer rebounder for my daughter. She plays select soccer, and a lot of times she likes to come into our shop here and do some drills and stuff like that by herself. And so I'm going to make her a little wooden rebounder so that she can kick the ball and have it come back to herself, just so she can practice getting touches and stuff like that. And so what I'm going to do is just take some of these 2x6s that are just scrap that I have that happen to be the same length. I'm going to use some pieces of 2x4 that are all the same length too. I'm going to put a brace on the back in 2 different spots, and then I'm just going to stick a leg out from each side and make it so it's stable. And then I'm going to use some weights that I have to stabilize the back. So I'll show you what I'm doing. First, I'm going to go get my drill and some screws and add those 2 pieces that are going to go right here and right here. Okay, so I just screwed in these 2x4s in 2 spots there. And then I did some bracing for it. So let's see how sturdy it is. Feels pretty solid. All right, let's grab a soccer ball, kick it off there and see how it works. We got our good selection of balls over here. All right, what do you say we give the rebounder a test here? I added those weights right there. They're for my canopy, holds down the legs. This should be nice and solid. I'm gonna go about 10 feet back. Let's give it a nice kick. Looks like it's working just fine. Not moving at all. So this will be a good place for my daughter to practice her touches. And yeah, so she doesn't have to worry about kicking it to another person or off of a wall or something that's not gonna give her a good bounce back. So right here with the turf and with this, she should get nice, consistent bounces so she's able to get some good practice in. Anyway, hope this helps out. Talk to you later.